Hey green thumbs in health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Ever stood in the supplement aisle, staring at rows of colorful pills, and then glance out at your garden, wondering which one truly nourishes you? Well, you are in the right place because today we are diving deep into the epic showdown. Supplements versus the glorious garden. Think back to a time when our ancestors didn't have fancy capsules. They were for messy. Mother Nature's bounty. They relieved on the vibrant, sun kissed goodness of fruits and vegetables grown right outside their door. Fast forward to today, and we have a pill for practically everything. But has something been lost in translation? Now, I'm not saying your multivitamin is plotting against your tomato plants, but let's be real. Can a tiny pill truly capture the magic of a freshly picked, sun ripened strawberry? Let's break it down, shall we? We explore this from a gardener's perspective. Imagine this as your nourishment blueprint. Step 1, the nutrient density duo. Garden fresh produce is bursting with vitamins, minerals, and something supplements often lack phytonutrients and antioxidants in their natural synergistic forms. Think of it as a perfectly orchestrated symphony of goodness. Step 2, the bioavailability battle. Our bodies are often better equipped to absorb nutrients from whole foods. It's like the difference between a pre-packaged puzzle and finding the pieces yourself. Your body knows how to put the garden's goodness together. Step 3, the bonus perks of the backyard. Gardening isn't just about food, it's a therapy. The soil, the sunshine, the satisfaction of nurturing life. These are side effects no pill can offer. Plus, you know exactly what's going into your food. Step 4, when supplements can step in. Now, supplements do have their place, especially for deficiencies or specific health needs. Think of them as targeted support, not a complete replacement for a balanced diet rich in homegrown goodness. Here's a fantastic technique for maximizing your garden's nutritional power. Grow for specific needs. Research which vegetables and herbs are rich in vitamins or minerals you might need more of. For example, dark leafy greens are packed with vitamin K, and bell pepper are loaded with vitamin C. Tailor your garden to your well being. There's a profound connection to be made when you nurture a seed into vibrant life and then nourish your body with its bounty. It's a cycle of care, a taste of nature's perfection, a feeling of empowerment that no supplement bottle can replicate. So, are supplements bad? Not necessarily, but can they truly replace the holistic nourishment and joy of a garden? We think not. Get your hands dirty, embrace the green, and taste the difference. What are your thoughts? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy gardening.